1 apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples, one of the most popular fruits in the world, are widely available in almost all parts of the world. The various types of apples include green apples, red apples, and yellow apples. Due to their ruby red bodies, red apples look exotic, making them more popular than green and yellow apples. Since ancient times, apples have been known to prevent various ailments. Packed with disease-fighting vitamins and antioxidants, apples remain one of the top-ranked fruits for your health, hence the popular saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Quote, "Researchers have proved that the apple has more than its pretty appearance and sweet flavor. Save for the seeds that may impact negatively on some consumers, apple fruits including the skin have been found to be suitable for human consumption." According to a research finding conducted by the Department of Agriculture in the United States, a typical apple weighing 250 grams contains approximately 126 calories. Besides, the apple contains vitamin C, nutrients, and dietary fibers. Here are the top 5 benefits of apples. 1. Apples assist in weight loss. Apples have been considered as a natural weight loss food. They are low in calories, sodium, and fat that have been associated with weight gain. Besides, apples contain iron and fiber that contribute to weight loss in various ways. A recent study established that fiber keeps you full longer because it expands in the stomach. On the other hand, iron, a component of hemoglobin, boosts respiration, thus leading to burning of more calories that would have been stored in the body. As a low-sodium food, apples reduce sodium level in the body. Keeping sodium low in the body prevent water retention. Vitamins available in apples help keep the body active by increasing vitality and health. Consequently, extra calories are burnt, thus speeding up weight loss. When it comes to health eating for weight loss, an apple is a jewel. 2. Apples lower bad cholesterol levels in the body. An apple fruit contains a significant amount of fiber. Some of this fiber in the apples is in the form of an insoluble fiber commonly known as pectin. Various researches by different scholars have established that pectin blocks the absorption of cholesterol. Consequently, the cholesterol which would have been stored is used, leading to low levels of cholesterol in the body. Low cholesterol levels in the body serves to reduce the chances of stroke and keeps the heart healthy. 3. Apples reduce the risk of diabetes. Apples are rich in acetic acid. A review article published in the Medscape Journal of Medicine showed that acetic acid slows the digestion of starch in the body. Therefore, it reduces the accumulation of starch that occurs after meals and stabilizes glucose level in the blood. The results of study on 11 patients diagnosed with type 2 diabetes and posted in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition proved the apparent impact of apples in glucose concentration in the body, fasting and waking up. Carol Johnston, the Associate Director of the School of Nutrition and Health Promotion at Arizona State University, notes that acetic acid reduces the body's ability to digest starch. Carol further notes that the starch-blocking power of acetic acid serves to assist in reducing the risk of diabetes by reducing glucose level in the blood. Any interference with starch digestion means slow accumulation of starch in the bloodstream. 4. Apples assists in boosting the immune system. The vitamin C available in apples help boost the body's immune system. Besides, apples help in the breakdown of proteins into amino acids. Yuri Elkaim, a fitness expert and highly sought-after health coach, confirms the impact apples have in breaking down proteins into amino acids. Biologically, amino acids are responsible for the formation of hormones in the body. Further, hormones are responsible for the immune system of our bodies. Therefore, there is a link between apples and the body's immune system. 5. Apples help in preventing breathing problems. Quercetin has been associated with better lung functioning. Quercetin is an antioxidant available in the skin of apples. Various research findings have attributed breathing benefits to the antioxidant. Further, it is believed that people who take 4 or 5 apples a day are less likely to suffer from asthma. Take an apple today, keep doctors away. Apples have various medical uses. They can stand in for medical pill to not only prevent but also cure various illnesses.